Today, I want to celebrate the wellness success story of Veeresh from Mysore. Kind-hearted professional, social worker, and a man who's been living with something that most people could never imagine for almost his entire life. Since childhood, Veeresh has been battling a painful and deeply embarrassing condition, irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Every time he ate, he had to rush to the bathroom. Every time he felt anxious or tense, he'd get the same urgency, even if he was stuck in traffic or in the middle of a public event. It affected his confidence, his work, social life, even the simple joy of going out with friends or traveling with the family. There were moments of complete helplessness, moments that left him frustrated, angry, and ashamed. He met doctors, tried Ayurveda, homeopathy, and every possible remedy, but nothing really helped. And like so many others, he began to believe that this was his life sentence, something he just had to live with. When Veeresh started working with his coach Abhiram, his goal wasn't even to fix his digestion. He had simply come for weight management and diabetes management. But when we did the root cause analysis, we discovered something far deeper. His digestive issues were not just about food. Yes, there was inflammation and gut imbalance, but there was also a big factor that was playing havoc. Emotional stress. We worked on rebuilding his system from inside out. One meal, one routine, one habit at a time. Powerful lifestyle interventions were brought in. Simple, practical, but consistent. And then something beautiful began to happen. Within weeks, his body started responding. The constant urgency disappeared. His digestion stabilized. He began to eat, travel, and live without fear. During his program, Veeresh lost 18 kgs in a healthy manner, reversed his diabetes, and most importantly, regained his confidence. He is now active, energetic, plays badminton for every day 2 hours, and continues his incredible social work helping children with visual disabilities. Veeresh says something beautifully. He says, "Not everyone who joins a wellness program will succeed, but they will succeed if they follow their coach with trust and consistency." Isn't that true wisdom? Because healing doesn't begin when you find a coach, it begins when you decide to believe in yourself. Veeresh, your journey is a reminder that even lifelong problems can have lifelong solutions. When we address a root cause and work with the body, not against it. We are incredibly proud of you and glad to share your story with the world. With that, I'm again absolutely thrilled to bring an inspiring wellness transformation story from Wellness Atlas.